Yep. And this one is my husband's grandmother, who was almost a saint. She was a sculptress. All the sculptures that you see around are by her. And she became also a tertiary, Franciscan tertiary. If you go up high in this group of mountains here, Gruppo del Brenta, around between, say, 2,000 and 3,500, which is the tallest, you see the most incredible stuff. And well, once you're up, you know, it's so sad to come down. And I wish I could stay up, but usually I come down the same day instead of staying up. I wanted, when I first came to live here, I just wanted to find a way to bring people close to nature and the woods, for example, as a spiritual exercise. And I couldn't get to the point. I couldn't get to what I could really put together to make them feel that. I think in the end, well, working in it is really what makes you get close to these things. And I guess the only thing, instead of teaching something that I probably cannot teach, and I wouldn't know how, if maybe just leading people through the trees, showing the trees to them, maybe it's just enough. And then we'll see. I mean, I like very much to try to revive something in terms of agriculture in the way that I think and other people think things should be done around here. If I can do that, it's already a lot, but certainly I would like to leave a little trace of something, of a life that vibrates in these walls instead of being just dead and useless, and also to make it again a focal point for the population, which is what happened maybe centuries ago, and then it stopped happening, which is too bad. Okay, baby. That side has been done, and this one, we turned the earth. On this side, I don't, and I try to just move a bit the earth and put the plants or seeds inside without taking out anything, without turning around, so that all that is been happening in the earth, which is a lot, because there's a lot of animals and roots and things, stays there, because that's what makes the earth living. And there's so much that you see that you can eat and also be treated by. That's what I like a lot, is medicinal herbs, which are all over the place. I mean, and the old people know a lot about it that can be really taught again. That's a medicinal herb, which is called Cheridonia, and it's one of the most common things you can imagine. This, of course, is very common. It's the dandelion, which can be eaten in all parts, and also it's very good for the stomach and stuff. And roots you can use in the winter, leaves you can use now, the flower you can put in risotto, in salads and stuff. The core of it, of the plant, you can cook or put under oil or in aceto vinegar, and it's like artichokes a bit. I mean, all kind of things. And this, the stinging nettle, it's one that I love. It's so good, sautéed also, and you make a tea that is wonderful and purifies your blood and it's good for your liver. I think that if you eat stuff that grows where you grow, where you live, you're more compatible. You breathe the same air. So I have always the impression that when I eat stuff from my fields here or that I grew, it really interacts well with me, and it's more healthy. It might be stupid, but I don't know. I have that impression.